Well, wow, that was awkward. That was awkward. Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth.
Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Hallelujah. In the end of time. Oh, it's a new thing up here on the YouTube.
Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Smooth. Hopefully, we're all ready to make some money today. Your boy is ready. We're going to have some fun today. We're going to have some fun because we're going to stay safe in the markets. We're not going FOMO today. I'm talking to myself, not because I know you guys don't FOMO. I'm the only one that FOMO's here. So I'm talking to myself right now.
Well, you know, your self-control is lacking. No, I'm just kidding.
I hope not. Anyways. Man, oh man, I'm ready to hopefully not get chopped today. Can you show the VWAP settings? I can. It's just the standard. Like this one right here on the chart that you're looking at, that's not the VWAP. So on the chart you're seeing, that's the 21 EMA. I don't have the VWAP pulled up on these charts right here. Well, let me click this one real quick. That's one that I was looking at previously. Yeah, I'm using TradingView to do all my charting, so I don't have all my stuff on the Ninja Trader. Good morning, Trade. We're going to try making some money this morning. We're going to see what we get. So right now, let's walk through the market here. We got the close from yesterday, 25,361.50, which is below us. That's the close from yesterday. Then we got the 21 EMA currently sitting at, I'm looking at my 2-minute chart, by the way, 25,373.75 for the 21 EMA. The VWAP, the magical VWAP down there at 344.75 area. Maybe a tick off, but 344.50. Then we got the overnight high above us at 421.50. 421.50. Let's see what else we got.
He's naming it all, man. He's naming it all.
We have a pivot point below us, 248, 248.50. Let me look at pivots above us. Quite a ways above us, but we'll still call it out. That pivot's at 541.75, 541.75 above us. So we're going to see what we get. Like always, we got to wait for our setups, trust our systems, and execute. And that's all I'm going to do today.
I wasn't on the chart yet, so was a VWAP 344 in that neighborhood?
Yeah, 344.50 for me.
Okay, cool. Because that's like kind of my barometer to make sure that it's not completely off. You're like, it's touching the VWAP. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's not even close.
Well, I am looking at the 2 minutes, so.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 2 minute too, Jive Turkey.
Man, I'm a jive turkey today. That's crazy. It's not even Thanksgiving yet. I'm 4 days away from being in Mexico. Your boy's excited because yesterday we had early dinner. We went to a Chinese buffet. That's what our oldest son wanted. So we went to a Chinese buffet. I'm like, I can't do buffets in the US anymore. I have to only do it in Mexico because it's not the same vibe. So a couple more days I'll be in Mexico streaming with y'all. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna keep it moving. Probably within like the next week-ish, we'll hit 2,000 subs on YouTube. Straight craziness. We're gonna keep this ball going. Good morning, Hamid. Just ready to make $1 or $2 a day. Working on some payouts. Actually, let me see how much I need in some of the accounts here. So this account less than 700, and this one for a 2K payout. No, that'd be a $1,500 payout on that account. Then this one, how much do I need to put in this one? So if I put like a less than 1,000 in the second account, should be relatively good for a payout. We're gonna see what we get. If the market gives us options, we're gonna take it today.
We have news at 10,
right? We had news this morning at 8:30.
Oh, 8:30,
okay. Do I have a bias? I do not. I never have a bias for the market.
Look, up or down, as long as it's moving.
Yo, that's it. I don't care what direction we go. If we're going up or down, as long as we have good momentum, we print money.
Is my bias.
How do you trade? Very simply, actually. And we are printing we're trying to print. It's looking like it's trying to print a little bull flag on the 2 minute here. Let me pull that up here. I feel like they want to do a bull flag there, but we're going to see what we get. I trade very simply. I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. So we don't care if the market's going up or down. As long as we see our flag with momentum, we can take it. And keeps it simple. Honestly, millionaire. Don't know. I'm gonna wait for the market to open and see what we do. Like I said, I don't care if we go up or down. It's the same thing for me. What's a flag? Well, a flag is very, very simple, actually. So we all have, hopefully we've all seen a flag standing on a flagpole sometime in our life. Let me get some more lines here. So the pattern that I look for are bull flags and bear flags. 1 second. So this is a bull flag right here. So I'll be looking for the market to go up. Then for a bear flag, we're expecting the market to go down for a bear flag. And that's a bear flag. So I want to see momentum go through the bottom yellow line to take us lower. And that's how I trade. I gotta have momentum. I feel like this is going to be a flag right here. But you never know. Buyers trying to step in once again, so they may try pushing. Not a retracement into the box. I want to see it build structure. Trade. My night was pretty good, bro. Was pretty solid. Last night we did over 2,000 views on the Traders Hangout last night. Over 33 subs just from last night's stream. Straight craziness. Straight craziness. Like, I'm so thankful that you guys are getting value from our streams, everything like that, because that just motivates me to keep coming back each and every day. So. Market's getting ready to open. Less than a minute now. Less than a minute. We're right above the 21 EMA currently on the 2 minute. We'll see. We'll see. Market open, you never know what's actually going to happen. It's a coin toss at market opens. There's a 21 EMA tap right there. Let's see if that 21 EMA holds us up, or we may drop like a rock. Who knows? Who knows? We got that close from yesterday, 361.50. There we go. Just tap that 361.50. But look at those bulls stepping in right there. So here we go. Are we getting ready to rocket ship? Are we going rocket ship? Or are we going to drop like a rock? I am waiting the first 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes of the market. I always wait for that range to be completed before we execute trades.
Everywhere you were going, it was like, we close.
It wasn't.
It was like you were in St. Augustine after like 8 o'clock at night, and you're like, I'm getting a pizza. And it was, no, sir, not in the historic district.
It was honestly all the research I had done before we even went up there, like to Canada, was saying that the ice skating, that's a every year thing. So you didn't have to make reservations or anything like that for that. So I didn't call up to say, hey, is it completely frozen ice skate? Like, what's going on? I didn't do that. I just assumed, which is my own fault, that everything would be fine. So we go into like the store where you can like rent the skates and everything. Like, yeah, no one can skate yet. I'm like, huh? He's like, yeah, where they skate, it's not completely like they couldn't get the heavy machinery out there because it wasn't like frozen enough. Because of the heavy equipment, it's heavy.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, okay. He's like, yeah, there's dog sledding and stuff. I'm like, cool. Do you have the number for it? He's like, yeah. You'll just need to call and see if they have availability for you because it's the same day. I was not planning on doing dog sledding because I didn't even know about it until I got up there. Well, he gave me the card. I called. Yeah, we don't have anything for like 2 weeks. I'm like, dang. Looks like we'll just go walking around on the ice.
Or watch people climb the frozen waterfall.
Yeah, we didn't walk. We were not prepared to be walking because I literally had some Nikes on.
Oh, that's your feet must have been cold, man. Jeez.
And I was good at first, but
once it starts coming through that shoe, it's like, oh.
No, I messed up. So like on the lake, like you could walk all over. It was completely frozen for people to walk, just on heavy equipment. So we were walking, and then like you could see where like a lot of people walk. So they packed the snow down from just all the footsteps. So I was walking on the little path, and then there's people coming behind us, like full hiking gear, everything like that behind us. Mind you, I'm wearing some Nike Blazers in a little jacket. So I move off the path so they could pass us. Yeah, when I stepped off the path,
oh no, yeah, just wait.
I went right through the snow, like at least up to my knee on one foot. I was like, Jesus. And after that, that's what made my feet really cold because they were covered in snow.
Oh yeah, at that point, yeah.
So when we finally got back to the car, because we still stayed out there for quite a minute, but once we got back to the car, we defrosted ourselves. We thawed out in the car with the heat, and then we kept it moving.
All right. That one grand building, and it's like, wow, that's a pretty neat restaurant. Oh, the restaurant
No, because
I'd be like,
we were driving around the ski lodge, like, yo, where's this restaurant at? I'm like, let's just go inside and ask somebody because we're not from here. So we go inside and we find a worker because they had like 4 restaurants in there. I'm like, none of these are the restaurants. I'm like, hey, do you know where this the something bistro is? He's like, yeah, it's up the mountain. I'm like, okay, cool. How do we get there? He's like, and his next question was, do you guys have skis or a snowboard? I'm like, no. He's like, okay, yeah, you can't get there. You gotta take the gondola up the mountain, ski down to the restaurant, and then continue down. I'm like, oh, I guess we're not going there either. But the views out there were crazy.
Yeah, the views look nice.
Good morning, hopefully all you guys are having a good Tuesday morning so far. Goal for the day, print some monies. That's my goal for today. All right, so printing a bear flag there. We'll see if we get through that VWAP. All right, we're through the VWAP there. Now back above the VWAP. Well, that bear flag would have paid. Come on, 945, hurry up. I'm hoping today's not a chop day. I know none of us wants a chop day today.
Yeah, top stock.
Are we getting ready to go down and test the lows from the overnight? I got 278.50 for the low for the overnight session. Right here would be like a nice area to build another bear flag. Don't you agree? Hopefully you guys do.
Well, I'd like to see a flag quoting Duane Broom II.
You and me both. So right now the high of this range is sitting at 409.75. 409.75 is the high of the range currently.
Well, it looks like we might have a flag happening that it'll hold. And
Well, hopefully. I want the bulls to push it up. I want this candle to close green, but we got like a minute 20 left on it, so feel like it's looking kind of heavy-ish, where the market does want to keep coming down, but need the bulls to hold it up just a little bit here. Got some consolidating happening. Okay. Nice little push up for the bulls. Don't want going too high though. I don't want going more than 50% of the pole. Like, Like, all right, calm it down, bulls. Calm it down.
Like, slow it down.
Doing too much today. Let's see if the Bears step in here. Come on, Bears. I got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes till I'm officially clear to trade. Hopefully this takes 5 minutes for this flag to play.
Look, stop standing away from my money, bitch.
Looks like he ain't gonna wait for me.
I know, I'm just teasing. I'm teasing.
Or maybe we'll just add more structure. Like we're just gonna freeze right here. Never mind. There we go. We're not freezing. There's another bear flag. So 2 bear flags in a row so far for the day. We already dropped below the close from yesterday, so let's see where this range finishes at. We got 4 more minutes left on it, so dang, 2 bear flags, man. But I gotta remind myself the market always repeats itself. So
you say that again, please. I missed it.
The market always repeats itself with the flags. So if we're printing bear flags or bull flags, if you miss the first one, that's okay. Wait for the next one, because the more flags you see in more bear flags or bull flags going consistently, that's letting you know what type of trend we're on. So we already went through the overnight low. We got a pivot point down here sitting at 248.50, 248.50. Like, it's just crazy how the market disrespected me already today. It really be your own people. Good morning, folks. How's everyone feeling? We got the Legacy Wealth Society market makers on the call with me today, not tonight. And we got all y'all lovely folks on YouTube. How we doing? Are we up? Are we down? Are we still holding and waiting?
We're waiting, and I saw I said something. I told you, bitch, I was not right.
Good morning, LJ. Good morning, Carmona. You guys snuck on in here this morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Jose. How you feeling today, bro?
Let me focus. I'm in a trade right now.
My bad. No disrespect.
Don't talk.
I love that. That's the one thing every trader understands, right? When someone's like, yo, let me focus. I'm in a trade. Everyone understands that. Like, hey, instantly you become quiet. Good job is put in I was gonna say put in like ChatGPT and take a screenshot and say, did I pass it? That's what I do sometimes, so I don't have to do the math. Yes. Don't laugh at me, Steve. No, don't laugh, A-Train. What's up, Cam?
Hey, I'd like to go ice skating. Hey, there's no ice skating today out here, eh?
No ice skating out here, eh?
Maybe you could go dog sledding, eh?
No dog sledding either. A-Train from the boys. I'm not sure, Steve. Your name A-Train. in the chat. Is that A Train from the Boys? Someone asked. Question mark.
I don't know what that is. It's just what I'm going by today. So.
Oh, no, nope, Cam. It's not A Train from the Boys. All right, I'm less than 10 seconds away of being cleared to trade. I will wait till.
You like to wait till 9:46.
Thank you. I do wait till 9:46 for that full range to be fully completed. But the low of the range, 265.25. The high of the range is sitting up at, where's it at? Right there, 410. 410 for the high and 265.25 for the low. Ready to make some money. So we just did another bear flag. We just did another bear flag on the 2 minute there. We do have this buying wick on the previous candle. Come on, Tom. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
All right, I'm officially clear to trade. So now let's see what we get. Now let's see what we get here. Like, we've been printing bear flags for this for the market so far this morning, but I don't like these previous candle wicks. I don't want to short into a buying wick. Yeah, believe it or not, that's not fun. I've done it way too many times where I learned my lesson. You don't short into buying wicks.
It gives you like a bounce of like $200, and then it closes the gap and sends it the other way. And oh.
At this point, I want to see a flag on like the 5 minute. That would make me feel a little bit more warm and fuzzies. But we'll see what we get here. We do have selling pressure. So that's a good sign. So down in this area, we have buying pressure. We got to clear that buying pressure out. Let's see if we build another flag down here, which I like to see because we're clearing out all that buying pressure. I don't want buying pressure when I'm trying to short. I know I'm a Florida man and everyone assumes we're just wild, but I ain't reckless like that. Let's see if we build a flag right here. Maybe break out of this 15-minute range. Good morning, sir. Come on, let's go through my line with momentum. So we just broke out of the 15-minute range. Did a little dance right there. Come on, Betsy. Drop it like it's hot. I closed that. I don't like that dance right there. I closed it. I may re-enter here. I did close that one. I didn't get enough follow through, so that's why I just closed it. Not trying to just sit and draw down. And glad I closed it.
Yeah, it seems like it's validating your decision.
We did not get the follow through, so that's why I closed it. Yeah, actually, I'm just going to rotate to a different account for now. Now I'm going to put this one up back in the market right now. No reason to. Yeah, we'll wait. Let's see if we potentially get a flag on this 5 minute. I'm glad you feel like it's smart, bro. Been doing this for a little bit now, so I tried making smart decisions. 100%, bro. I rotate through all my funded accounts. Nature Boy, I trade with Tradeify, Lucid, and take profit traders. So with Tradeify, it would be the select account or the growth account. I recommend you getting the select account. Yeah, why risk? Like for me personally, right? I don't want to have all my eggs in one basket. So when you're only trading on one account, you're risking all your eggs every time you're trading. So for me, I rotate so that way I don't have to worry about all my eggs in one basket. What's up? What's up, brother? I've been good, my soul brother. We back. Well, good morning, Jake. Possibly. We're coming up to the middle of this 15-minute range where we got the 21 EMA and the VWAP just sitting real close to each other. So, Jesus. So just waiting, either it cleared through that VWAP and all that to look for a long here, or just wait. There's that VWAP touch. That was quick. Does it show me on the app how to start? Yes and no. It doesn't. They don't really have tutorials on how to trade. Seven minutes. Well, 6 minutes coming up. 6 minutes before 10 o'clock to hit. Let's see if we build a bull flag up here above the VWAP. Want to see some good old momentum as well, though. Because we don't diddle in the middle. And we're currently real close to the middle of the 15-minute range. Nature Boy, yeah, this is the Nasdaq, fam. Yeah, I'm just waiting because that 361.50, that was the close from yesterday. Push right through it. No rejection yet. Oh yeah, let's start building a nice bull flag on the 5 minute. That'd be amazing right now. Because the flags on the 5 minute, those are the big money ones. Flags on the 5 minute are the big paying ones. Nice, John. Hey, there's money in written cards too, bro. And we're still pushing. We got the high of this 15-minute range up here. 410 even. 410 even for the high of the 15-minute range. I would like some type of small little pullback. Just a little bit. I would like a flag. Even on the 1 minute, we haven't had any pullback. This thing's just running right now. Took everyone's stop losses and now it's out. All right. You ain't lying about that, bro. Nothing beats trading money. I just need a little, just a little. I need like one red candle. That's all I need. Like I could do a one candle flag. Like I just want to see some red before we go green again. What's up, Noble? Ready to start paid group? Well, sign up when you're ready, bro. There's no rush. You can join for free. Noble, that's awesome, bro. That's craziness. Nightbot posts a link. It's in the description of the video as well of the stream. For the Legacy Wealth Society, it's free to join. There are paid tiers as well, but there's a free tier also. So pick which one works best for you. I just want to see a flag. That's all I want, but it's not trying to give us a flag today. Coming up to this, we're getting inching closer and closer to 410. That's the high of the 15-minute range here. Jake, I'm not up yet, bro. Your boy's not up yet. I need a flag, man. At this point, I'm just waiting for us to tap that 410 level, see if we potentially reject on it. That's awesome, bro. You're a big baller, bro. You're a big baller. 10 years in, big baller over here. It must be nice. There's 10. Good call out trade. Let's see if we could get a little flaggy flag.
10 seconds, man. 10
Yeah,
seconds.
as long as this candle can close red. Okay, that candle did close red, so that's positive. There's 10 a.m. as well. A very uneventful 10 a.m. right there, by the way.
Yeah, blink and you miss it, 10 a.m.
Come on, Betsy. Let's see if the bulls start to push it. I'm ready. If we get the momentum, I'm taking it.
I believe you, too.
What's going on?
Good morning, Mooser.
Oh, yeah.
I've been trying to set up my wrinkles. I think I got it. I just need to set up the settings.
Okay.
Doing it all. I was watching YouTube videos on how to do it because the file doesn't open. So I tried to download different things and it didn't work to read the file. So I just went online and I saw on YouTube and I saw somebody do it. I just need to know those settings.
Mine are set for 8.4.
What's 8.4? 8 seconds.
8-4.
So right side margin 8.
Oh shit. What does that mean? How do you do that, man? I don't know how to see. Now I put them on, right? But I don't know how to edit them. No,
Okay.
You just select and edit. Sorry.
No, you're good. I'm waiting on this trade here. I'm waiting for the bulls to have some momentum to take us
That
higher.
would be nice, wouldn't it?
It would be. It would be.
Data box entry settings. Configure. Do I go to configure?
I'm gonna have to help you in a couple minutes, but I'm waiting for this move here.
Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
I literally didn't take anything today. I didn't jump on nothing because I wanted to set this up first.
Gotcha. Jake's not liking it. Jake from State Farm.
Good hands, people. Oh, state.
Possibly. We just got these wicks right now that I'm watching. Because we do have buying pressure up here. If we lose that buying pressure, for sure we're going to be coming down. But until we do, I'm holding and waiting. It doesn't like my yellow line today. Noble, it stops. Still consolidating right now. Come on, Betsy. Do something. Close that one. Close, 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 close. Why is it not close? Jesus. $1,500 trade right there. That's crazy. That lag was crazy. Quick $1,500 right there. We'll gladly take that.
Where are you going to next, baby?
Well, first target I have to the upside, 482.25. 482.25 right there. You're a monster. Hey, I'm not trying to be a monster, Hamid. I'm not trying to be a monster, fam. But that was a bull flag right there. We consolidated. I jumped in right towards the end of the consolidation, which I was slightly nervous. I was going to close it if we went red like $500, but we never hit the $500 mental stop loss I had in my head. And then we finally pushed. So we'll take that. So we'll take that. Let's rotate to the next account. And we keep it smoothins. Yes, I said smoothins. And now we wait for the next move. That's all we do. Appreciate Jake. I'm just trying to get like you, man. I'm trying to get like you. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. What's up, Wave? We up, bro. We up. Nice, bro. 3K on the day. Good job. Chandler, there's no reason to be scared for me, bro. Because I have the mental stop loss. If we would have came down and touched 500 in the red, I would have just closed out. But we never did that. So that's why I was letting it wait, because I was watching the buying pressure. I can't short buying pressure. So, hey, that one worked. We're going to wait for another move here and do it all over again. Let's see if we get another bull flag. Why did I say another bull flag? We're above the VWAP, and flags love to repeat themselves. So if you don't catch the first one, just wait, and another one will come. Very simple. No, you can't. I can't what? Did I say something? I don't know why you tell me no, I can't, Jake. Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Did our music in? Unbelievable. Where's the DJ at? Okay, we're good. Woo. Like, this DJ sucks today. What's up, Julian? Fire the DJ. Well, I can't fire myself, so now it's kind of awkward. Uh-oh. Hey, bro, you can't be doing that. You're fired. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
Actually, tonight we're doing a hangout.
Yeah, tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, like always, where we talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between. I'm excited. Last night we did over 2,000 views on last night's stream, over 44 hours of watch time last night. Straight craziness, folks. Straight freaking craziness. Appreciate all you guys that tune in for these morning sessions and the night hangouts, because without y'all, I would not be doing this. Being real with you. Jay, if you want to, bro, come on. You know what I'm saying? Like, we here. We always here. We consistent. So we did try doing a small little bull flag there, but I did not take it because we got that selling pressure right there. So just like I don't like shorting into buying pressure, I don't like trying to buy into shorting pressure, selling pressure. Start streaming on Kick. We'll see. We'll see. Tomorrow the channel will be fully monetized on YouTube. So that's pretty cool. We're partially monetized right now, but tomorrow we'll become fully monetized on YouTube, which is crazy to say.
Wait, are you in the trade?
Not right now, no.
How do I edit what you were saying to me?
Okay, so on your Rinkos, sir. Did you do the new chart, or what did you already do? So I know where I had to go from.
I put a new chart, I selected the market, and then I put Rinkos, and then it gave me an editing page, like an editing open page. It opened an editing page where you can select like the ticks or whatever, and then but after that, once I selected it, I don't know how to get back to it to edit it.
Okay, hold on. That's not the one I want. I want the other one. Okay, so on your Rinkos, brick size should be 8, trend threshold should be 4.
Tick size?
Brick size.
Hold on, give me a second. How do I get to brick size? How do I edit that?
You clicked on the very top of the chart, the little graph icon. Like, so it's the 1, 2, 3, the fourth icon from the right. So if you go to the properties, go over to the fourth one to the left.
On the right.
So
Right.
you see my cursor? Right? You see my cursor moving?
Yeah.
This one right here. For data series.
Hold on, give me a second. Let me see if I don't know if I have that up here. I don't see it here.
Look at this waterfall right now, boys. We're waterfalling. I'm trying to help move it, but we're waterfalling. This is craziness. Let me see if I can make some more monies.
Data series. This shit doesn't have it here.
You bought? Bro, why did you do that? I told you don't buy selling pressure. We never do not buy going to selling pressure and do not short into buying pressure. It's a recipe for disaster, fam. How do I know? I've done it plenty of times and now I don't do it because I've gotten destroyed so many times doing it. Because your boy does not use a stop loss. So that's why I give you the advice I give, because I've been there, done that. And I don't want to see you guys blowing accounts or anything. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if we build a little bear flag here to take his lower. Yep, the trend is your friend, right? But if you're doing flags, you just follow the flag. But you have to understand the little extra little tweaks of the flags, everything like that, to understand what's going on. We're currently above the VWAP. VWAP is sitting right around 350.75 area, 350.75 area. So for me personally, just me, I want to see us come down and touch that VWAP. I want to see if it acts as support or resistance. If it acts as support, we're going to bounce up and keep going back up. But if we push through it and we use it to hold us down, we're going to keep going down. So that's what I'm currently looking for, because we're in this 15-minute range here, and we need a clean direction. We need a clean direction. Oh, that sucks, bro. I hate when sometimes the markets and your fills and everything lag, because I get messed up doing that.
It was lagging here, but I was able to like stop it, but it was doing some nutty stuff earlier.
Okay.
You know, I saw the turquoise so much that it was just like, come on.
All right, now I think our music ended. Yeah, it sure did. Let's get the next one going. I want to execute some more trades here, but I feel like the markets are going slow right now. I love speed. What's up? What's up? Let's see if we get some selling pressure here. But looking at the 5-minute, right? The reason why I like looking at the 5-minute, it gives a little bit bigger of a picture. So right now there's buying pressure on that wick. So just because over here on the 2-minute chart it's showing selling pressure, I look at the 5-minute and it's showing buying pressure. Yes, this is how I trade, Rod. Currently green on the day, red in one account, green 1500 another account, tomato. This is how I trade. I'm sticking to it. Let's see if we get through my yellow line with follow through. With follow through.
Did that 3 times fast.
I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Trying to set me up.
I'm setting you up for victory, son.
All right. So right now, look at this 5-minute candle. Massive buying pressure. So I was looking for the flag on the 2-minute, but I saw the 5-minute with all the buying pressure. So that made me not want to just take a short. These are the intricate things that we have to learn, people. So you're not just jumping in just because it's potentially trying to build a flag. The flags are the foundation of my strategy. But there's a lot of intricate things that you have to learn to truly perfect this. So we popped out of that 15-minute range there. We're back in it currently. Woo! Jake, man, you're crushing it. You're motivating me, bro. I know you're 10 years in, but bro, you're motivating me. Can you tell me from your definition of change of character? Tell you what. Tell you what, yep. Yep. So we're getting ready to pop out of the 15-minute range right there. Rod, I recommend trading with like a prop from like Take Profit Trader. You could trade with them over in the UK and some of the other firms as well. You would not be disappointed. You don't have to risk your own money. And it's just a hack for traders, to be real. Just stay safe in the markets, as safe as possible. You want to know more about my parents' church? It's great.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Yeah, they're pastors. They've been pastors pretty much, yeah, like all my life. All my life they've been pastors. Pop out of this 15-minute range once again. Non-denomination Christian. I appreciate them because they helped me realize.
Covenant based, and awesome.
Heard it from Steve. Covenant based and awesome.
I mean, it's not religion; it's relationship. It's like the real deal. That's it, man. It's like the highest marks in my book.
I completely agree with that. I'm thankful my parents were never like religious, you know, because they would teach us how to have, like Steve said, a relationship with God, not fear of God. Okay, Nate Boy, don't forget to use code LWS. Appreciate you.
All right, let's get it rolling, baby.
Let's get it rolling. All right, so we're back above this 15-minute range now. I'm curious to see if we build a bull flag. I want to see a bull flag. That's why I have not taken a trade on this funded account yet, because yes, Jake, I do, bro. I need a flaggy flag.
Man.
Alrighty, well, that was very quick.
Yeah, that was like a jolt there. Boom.
That he is, brother. That he is. Like, I'm torn, like, right now.
Oh.
Yep. That's why I was torn. There we go. Makes sense now. That makes complete sense why I was torn. I was like, man, it's looking like it wants to do a bull, but we got selling pressure. Like I was saying, I'm not trying to buy into selling pressure. And sure enough, it does that. So we're chopping right now. But if I put this line right here, that's a big old bear flag. Let's break through the yellow line and I'm going to take the short. Let me actually pull down just a little bit more.
Yeah, well, you're going to go for it a second ago.
Don't become liquidity people. Yep, definitely not. Now on the 5 minute. Jake, I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. That's why I got Jake from State Farm in here trying to protect me in the markets. You know what I'm saying? Just like they'll protect you in insurance. It's not in a good zone. Tomato, tomato. So we got that buying wick right there. Come on, Betsy. I see what you want to do. I think I see. That's the keyword. I think I see what it wants to do. But is it actually going to do it? That's the $1 million question right now. We're sitting right here at this 21 EMA. That's what we just tapped again. Right now, we're just chopping. All right, there's the high of the 15-minute range. Just got tapped again. How do you know when it's a bull flag? The next flag I see, I'll draw it for you. Remember that pick I sent you? Oh yeah, you making the crazy monies? Oh, I remember, bro. I remember. So right now I'm torn, right? Right now I'm torn. Because if we keep pushing up slightly, we'll be going to like an area of selling pressure. If we drop back down to the previous couple candles, we got some buying pressure. So we're in this like little area right now that we gotta get away from, I feel.
It's called the trap. Swap.
So for me personally, if I'm looking for a long, I'm waiting till we get above 427.50, 427.50. Copy, Jay. I'll check out in a couple minutes, bro. Like for me, want a long, we gotta get the price above 427.50. For me, I want a short. I feel like we need to get at least below 370. Because right now we're in this little chop zone. And we all know I suck at trading chop.
Oh, but I mean, chop is like gambling.
Just patient. Hello. Whenever the wrinkles dance like that, I don't like that. Just so y'all know. I don't like when the wrinkles dance like that, sporadically. I like smooth moves.
Hey Dwayne, at what speed do you have your wrinkles?
For mine, they're not set on a speed.
Like
Let me
seconds or you know what I mean? Like
hold on.
I have these at 15 seconds.
Yeah, so mine's going by brick size.
Okay, hold on a sec. Because I don't have those. For some reason, it doesn't show me what you have on top. Like, you know, the data.
Yeah.
I have. Mine says zoom in, zoom out. It has the seconds. It has Renko, chart settings, configure, indicators, and templates.
Okay. I'm gonna have to download that one that's in the vault because I personally, mine are different. Mine are older than that one. That was the closest one I could get similar to mine because my wrinkles are old wrinkles. Steve,
Okay.
what do you have yours set up as? Hello?
Steve?
Yo.
What's
your setup?
Yeah, what do you have your wrinkles timed on?
It's just Nenzo wrinkles and it's just like 8-4. I'm just gonna send it over
to moves? Okay.
Yeah.
Because I also have a Mac, so I'm using the web
Yeah,
version.
I don't know how it's gonna like play different, but
Yeah, see, I'm not familiar with the
You have a PC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look, I am the Mac daddy in my house, so I don't have to. So I don't worry about nothing else, man. I am the Mac.
So we came up and we did not clear that not 8. Can't talk. Jesus. The 439.75 level. We did not clear that level. Okay, Smooth. Are you in the community, bro?
Yeah, Moose.
What's up?
Hey, look up Ninja Reiko and say Mac, and then there might be like the way they can just install it, but that'll get you right where Duane is at.
Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna try to look that up right now.
So we have not cleared that 439 level, 75. So until we clear that, I'm not looking for a long. And until we get below some of those buying wicks lower on some previous candles, I'm not looking for a short. So right now I'm in a standstill because I need some better momentum. I'll doodle a little bit. Got you, Smooth. Got you. Well, just join the free side, bro. Get in the community, fam. You can't beat free. Okay, copy. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, right now we're just chopping. So please be careful. This is not financial advice, but I suck at trading chop. So at least I'm honest about it. I'm ready for the gym today. I gotta go crush back today. Yeah, I'm excited for it. Come on, market. What are we going to do here? Yeah, market's going slow right now. For me, I gotta stay flat because we need momentum. No momentum, no trades. Coming down to the 21 EMA here. Let's get ready to tap it. Just tap the 21 EMA. Are we gonna roll here? What are we gonna do, market? Market, tell me, what are we gonna do? Because we're just hanging out in this high of this 15-minute range right now, going sideways slightly. So I need something. I need something here. Yeah, but we had 8:30 news this morning, Rondo. So 8:30 news doesn't really affect our market for the New York session because it's pre-market news. But we need something. We need something. Jake, you feel like it's going to drop? Well, we just printed a small bear flag on the 5-minute right here, so we had the pull come down, the push up, but I don't like this wick. Even though that's showing selling pressure, I still not overly excited. So I would need the bears to drop it through my yellow line to give me the warm and fuzzies. Yeah, as soon as I say it. Oh, Nelly. Here we go.
Hey, Duane, Ninja?
Yeah,
Ninja
I
Rinkos.
sent a picture to you.
Yeah. I think I got downloaded. That's why now.
Well, you have to wait. My name is Steve, sucker.
No, because I don't know if you have one different than he does.
No, we all have something similar.
When I got that one, that's the one that was the absolute closest.
Okay.
It's incredible.
Okay. I'm going to see if they have it for back.
I hope they do. You deserve it. You're a good guy.
Thank you.
You're such a Mac.
Mac.
Mac Moose in the house. We did not break my yellow line, so that means I did not take a short. I love being able to put the line in the sand and be like, if we don't go there, there's nothing to do. It keeps me out of the market, even though sometimes I may want FOMO. It actually helps me not FOMO into trades when I mark the charts up. Today may be a 2-trade day. I'm green for the day, which is good, but your boy wanted some more.
Yeah, but son, no one wanted to walk away and come back tomorrow. That's everything.
No, 100%.
Because the world is full of people that wanted more, and the market wasn't going to give it, and the market won every time.
What in the world? Why is it not letting me log in?
Yes.
I'm trying to log into my trading journal. Expired API key provided. What's the API key? I've never even seen that. Maybe let me log out, maybe. Dang. That's crazy. So in one of my accounts with today's trade, I put just looking at my dashboard on trade. If I can't see my trading journal right now, which is weird. I will put in $5,000 in that account. Gotta get that from the site. So trade. Well, Warren, I've had access to my trading journal, but just right now, I'm can't get in. I'll figure this out after because I think we're getting ready to start pushing down here.
Don't get like stuck in some crazy random stuff, and then the move happens, and you're like,
Exactly. That's why I'm like, you know what? I'll figure that out later. We got some selling pressure. We do have some selling pressure here. I need it to drop below my yellow line. So we're trying to do a bear flag right now on the 2 minute. But right now we don't have momentum. So no momentum, no trade. Jay, it's trying. It's just slow at trying. I feel like this is the overnight session right now.
hey, don't knock the overnight session like that. Or not.
No, my bad. I saw. Looked at text. Right now we're consolidating. So we got from consolidation, the move happens. So we may push up, but we may go down. I feel like we're going to go down personally because we got selling pressure. So it's just waiting for that momentum of the sellers to step in to take it lower. Potentially. Thank you. Yeah. Bull stepping in. Jake was right. Jake from State Farm was right. He feels like he's going to go up. I just feel like we're in this weird area where we have tons of selling pressure up here. The Bulls have been saving it. But we're going to see. Because we just got too much selling pressure for my liking to want to go long right now. Because I did put my lines in the sand. We got to get up to 439 for the long for me. Long it is. Well, have fun. Be careful. Be careful. I'm not trying to trade the chop zone.
I gotta download Parallels. What a pain in the butt.
Download what? What's that?
Parallels, meaning that I run a program that can on my Mac that can run Windows programs.
Gotcha.
But that's a pain in the butt too because you gotta partition your Mac. A lot.
Yeah, that's why I never did that on my Mac because I'm like, I'm doing too much at this point.
Yeah, it is. It's too much. So I'm just gonna Google, see what I can find that's equivalent to.
Yeah.
For Mac.
What's up, Crawl? Appreciate you tuning in from the SIP, boy. My dog in Mississippi. He in the chat. My good boy Crawl. My dog. Your bug. 450. Make your money, bro. If we clear 439, then I'll be interested in taking a potential long. But we come up, we get close, and then we chop right back down. So I avoid trading chop zones. Come on, Betsy. Slow moving right now. It's slow moving. This is why I do enjoy my strategy, because if it's not moving, yeah.
What's the difference between the buy market, buy ask, and buy bid?
The buy market, sell market, that's like where the market is right at that price, so to speak.
Okay.
I do the buy ask because I feel like I get better fills for the most part on that one. And same with, because the market's moving so fast, right?
Right.
So if you do buy market or sell market, you're jumping in right wherever the market's at, right in that split second. Where the buy ask, it's like the asking price, so to speak, of everything. Are you part of Tradeify affiliates? I am part of Tradeify's affiliate. Code LWS, all caps. Appreciate you. LWS stands for Legacy Wealth Society. The best trading community, and there we go. That's why I'm telling you, we're in chop zone. That's why I'm not looking. We would have broken my yellow line right there. I want to get more continuation through my 5-minute line. Sorry, Jake. I told you, too much selling pressure. I'm waiting for my line on my 5-minute to get broken with momentum so I can take the short. But we are coming up on 11 o'clock as well. Hey, profit's profit, bro. Green is green, sir.
riding on the 80 MA like on the 5-minute.
Like we're down this area where we have buying pressure. So I want to see if the bulls are going to, bears going to drop this. We got to push through with momentum. Let me do that lowest wick there as well, just so that way I'm making sure we're clearing all the wicks before I'm jumping in. Nature Boy, no, I did not. I started a year and 7 months ago, fam. In 5 of those months, I was building my strategy. So 2025 was my first full year of trading. If I started back during the pandemic, boy, I'd be like Jake from State Farm. You know what I'm saying? Like 27 accounts copy, making 10 grand per account every single day.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what's up with the toll people right now. Keys are in the car, but
They're in the car, but the trade is on the books.
The trade is on the book.
Guys, take care.
Have a good one, LJ. I tried learning off YouTube, but I couldn't find anything that would actually work. So I just started learning by myself, researching, and just actually being in the markets each day. Did that for 5 months trying to figure this thing out. So on the 2 minute, let me get another line here. We're getting ready to break through on my 5. I gotta hurry up with this. I would not mind if we do a little bull flag. We're breaking through my yellow line. Let's see if we get follow through here. I need the follow through to take the short. Come on, Betsy. Give me the full flush. We got the VWAP below us. In the close from yesterday, 361.50. I would be targeting like that 359 level, 75. That'd be my first little target above the middle of the 15-minute range here, but we need more momentum. No momentum for me, no trade. Patience is key. Patience is key, folks. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to be talking trading, talking life, everything in between. So make sure you guys come out, hang out with us. It's always a good vibe. All right, we're doing a bear flag, trying to do a bear flag right now in the 2 minute. Let's see what we get here. %, Jake. That's what separates good traders from bad traders at the end of the day. Come on, Betsy. Drop it like it's hot. Do something. The size, yes, but the biggest thing is the patience and having the discipline to follow your rules. Doing some slight consolidation right here. BP is chop and chop. Good morning, sir. Put 1,500 in one account, down in one account. I've only taken 2 trades a day. Green for the day, thankfully, but you know we need some more. We need some s'mores money. Yes, I said s'mores money. All right, 540 right there on that trade. We'll take that. Quick 540 there. We went right to the VWAP. I jumped out as soon as we hit it because I do not want us to top it and reject off and push back up. Have a good one, Smooth. Let's rotate. Let's rotate. Let's rotate. Which next account am I going to do? That one.
So I have consulted with my chat GPT. There's no way I can run it with my Mac unless I use a parallel.
Okay. Well, if you're on Tradeovate, if you trade on Tradeovate, they have Renko bars.
Well, would they be the same?
They're not the same exact, but it's Renko bars.
Well, the look, I'm not worried about the look. I'm just worried about them working the same.
Yeah, they'll work the same, just set for 1 second on the Renkos on Tradeovate.
Oh, okay. For 1 second? Perfect.
Yeah.
And they'll work the same as yours?
Yep. Because you're only using the Renkos to look for the momentum.
Absolutely.
So you'll be, that's why I do it. So while I'm traveling, you'll see next week while I'm in Mexico, on Tradeovate, because that's what I'll be using, that, and that's the screen you guys will see. I have my Renko bars pulled up on it just for the momentum.
Got it.
You're welcome, sir. So I'm glad I got out of that trade when I did in the green, because that's what I was worried about right there, tapping that VWAP and then rejecting off of it, a push back up, which we just did. So that's why I just took the quick trade and got out. And at this point, I think I'm just going to rotate over to, I got a couple 150K evals that I need to put money in. So I'm gonna put some money in some 150K evals with Tradeify. I like just having evals on standby that I just have passed. So if I ever blow a funded account, I'm not starting from scratch. Let's see. I'll do that one first. Let me rotate to it real quick. So now, since I did just switch over to the eval, your boy will take some more riskier trades. So at this point, do not follow me. Do not follow me in the markets, because I will take more risque. Yes, I said risque trades, because it's the eval. I don't care about evals. I closed that one. So do you change up your size every time? Yes and no, Jake. So it depends on what strategy. What account I'm trading will dictate what size I'm in at. So right now I'm just going to try putting some money in this eval here because I'm done trading my fundeds. Red in one account, my funded, green in two of my other accounts for over $2,000 in the green on those two accounts. So we'll take it. We'll take it. So on the 150K accounts, I trade 3 to 4 contracts. On the 50K, I'll trade 2 contracts, 2 of 4. But depending upon how the market's moving, I'll either size up or size down on the eval. All right, NQ, I don't trade micros. Your boy does not trade micros. It doesn't get me excited to trade. Micros don't get me excited to trade. Nature Boy, I don't have a Discord. I have a private trading community. It's in the description. It's in the link's in the description here. It's completely free to join. Well, have a good one, Jake. Keep up the great work, sir. This 21 EMA is holding us up right now. Once we get through this 21 EMA, I feel like it'll want to go up. But we got to get through this 21 EMA.
Let's have that rocket launch already, please.
Oh, I've been waiting for it. That's why I haven't closed this out.
I'm seeing the same thing as you. I'm looking at the that EMA is holding it.
I got out looking at that 5 minute. I did not like that 5 minute right there. Coming back down to the VWAP. We did not tap it. Almost. Right now I'm just honestly scalping for the most part. I'm done trading. I put $2,000 in funded accounts today, so this is an eval. So like I said, I put the disclaimer, do not follow me anymore because this is an eval and I trade them differently than my funded accounts. Just being real with y'all. Let's see if we get through this. I want to get through this VWAP. Because it's looking heavy. It's looking heavy right now. Come on, Betsy. We got those buying wicks there, but we got this 21 EMA right above us. So want to see us either clear it. We got to clear the 21 or the VWAP, one of the two. 21's at the 386.25 on the 2-minute chart. VWAP is currently sitting right at like 360. What's up, main event? Oh, ready for the gym. Ready to go put some work in. I'm debating, do I fast for the rest of the week so that way I'm ready for Sunday in Mexico? Need a new broker? Who do you currently have? We're back down to the VWAP. Was Eagle FX? What's up, Jax? Oh, I had a great day. Right now, I'm playing around in evals. Jax, your boy made over 2K in funded accounts today, so we're chilling. Honestly, try Tradivair, Ninja Trader. They're good brokers. We're back above the VWAP, below the 21 EMA. We're in this chop zone again. And I just got chopped on that eval, so now I'm waiting. Yeah, man. Yeah, straight chopping. I probably got like another 10 more minutes because I'm literally just messing around with evals at this point. So another 10 more minutes, I'm gonna jump off here. There's the 21 EMA tab. I'm gonna work out and relax today. That's my plan for today. Work out and relax. Who's watched the vlog from Canada? Who checked the vlog out from Canada? If you haven't, definitely go check it out. We're traveling to a new country or state every single month of the year. So January, we went to Canada. February, we're going to Mexico on Sunday in San Antonio. So make sure you guys lock in for the vlogs. I'm traveling the globe, meeting up with traders, showing you guys that this is real if you lock in and you follow your own rules. And we're streaming it and still trading while we're gone. So gotta keep making this monies. Let's see if the 21 access support. I'll go with it. It's an eval. We'll roll the dice. Short bounce, my guy. Oh, it's an eval, so I'm just seeing if it's gonna put some money in this account or if we're gonna lose some money in this account. I'm good either way. I'm done trading fundeds. Well, I'm glad I'm the first person you've ever seen trading with Rinkos. That was aggressive. That was, as BP would say, that was a liquidity grab right there.
Ninja Trader and TraderMate look the same.
For the online stuff, right?
Yeah. It's, I thought I opened the wrong one and I had to double check twice. Yeah, I'm not going crazy, am I?
Right, you already went there.
Yeah, I'm trying to, I'm trying to get a little bit more crazy.
Well, in the vault, I have how to set up your trade evade.
Oh, you do? Oh.
Yeah. So that's in the vault. Just watch the video and it walks you through how to set it up.
Okay, so I don't have to download a file, right?
No.
Perfect. Because I'm trying to look at your screen and then I'm trying to match the candles.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm at 40 seconds right now, mine.
Okay.
To make it look the same.
Certified. I use the Rincos to look for the momentum. The Rincos are good looking for momentum. If you're just trading Rincos, I don't recommend that because you're going to lose a lot of money trying to just trade Rinco bars.
To make the shmoney, right?
Yeah, to make this, you're going to lose a lot of shmonies if you're just trying to trade Rinco bars. You got to know how to use them properly. Go ahead, Betsy. Rip it. Rocket ship.
Are you in?
Yeah, I've been in. It's an eval, so I'm. It's definitely gearing up here for a big move. The Bulls do want to take it higher. But these Bears aren't giving up. They're not giving up. Want to see if we use this 21 EMA as support here to hold us up. There's a 21 EMA tap right there. Just lost a 21 EMA. Let's see if the Bulls step in, push us higher. Here comes the VWAP. We've been in this little zone, so we lose the VWAP, now I'm definitely closing. There's the VWAP. I closed that one. I closed that one. Honestly, like I said, it's an eval, so I'm just messing around. I told you guys don't follow me because in evals I'm just messing around because yeah. But I think I'm gonna be getting off here, gentlemen and ladies. It's been a pleasure trading with y'all today. Tonight we do have the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to try talking about trading, talking about life, and everything in between. With that being said, folks, Legacy Wealth Society, have a great rest of your day. Don't risk it for the biscuit and stay safe in the markets, folks.
All right, man. See you later.
Have a good rest of your day, guys.